Hey guys, good morning guys. How are you? I hope you are great today. So we guys actually very happy today. So very excited to be here right now. So we guys actually I just came here on the roof the what's can. So because actually I'm gonna to try to speak English to how improve your mostly and these days your vocabularies. While so whenever started my English, so suddenly I stuck. So actually, I'm not able to understand because to how to speak English. So you have you have faced this same problem. I know that you will face and everything and every day because actually you are not speak very well these days because what is the reasons you are not practicing in these days, why, what is the reason? So I know that guys, so I will improve everything in this video. Hey guys, this is Anil Maurya and you are watching my YouTube channel Speak English with Anil. So guys, so here my daughter is the firecrackers. So because actually after one day is the Deepavali, tomorrow is Deepavali, and some people will celebrate and 31st October, and some people will celebrate and 1 November. So actually this is the problem. So hi. This is the insects. A lot of insects that died on the ground at this time. Hey, say hello. Come here. And what's your name and tell me. Hi guys, this is my daughter. So she's learning English with me. Say hello. Hi.
Hello.
Your holiday?
Yes.
So what do you do and today? You will go to the market, buy something, new cloth and earthen lamp and some candles, sweets, new cloth. So because they're coming soon after one day, so people celebrate Diwali, So guys, she's learning and with me, so because very excited. So guys, without any furthers, let's get this started on this video. Very important for you guys because the first of all, actually I am not teacher guys. Actually I am your friends and you can learn with me because actually you don't understand. So because actually I am not teacher, I am only in the friends because actually these days the making video on YouTube as well, Facebook. So guys, so this is my goal in future. So because actually improve my English and your English, you can improve your English and these days, and you should practice and every day because actually I woke up early in the morning around 6 a.m. I went for to take a shower, then come back, ate home. The way I put on my cloth, my uniform. So you can see guys, this is my uniform. So because actually because guys, I have a lot responsibility and actually I do the work in Delhi the 12th hour, then I will come at home and be carefully my family and cooking something, the cleaning at home, so everything. Actually tomorrow is Diwali, so actually I will go to market today because and buy something, new cloth and earthen lamp and some sweets and as well very important firecrackers. So because the actually I used to live in my village 2004. So I had a lot enjoyed with my family and my friends, and there is a lots of environments in there because and these days in Delhi is very footfalls, the crowd area. This is the footfall is very crowd area. Actually I am not understand, so because how we'll celebrate and any festival because actually I have to do hard work in 12 hours because Actually, I did not get more time for practice. Whenever I get chance, actually, I did not make video yesterday because I was busy that time. Because actually, my work is very high running, and these days, because this season, the festival seasons, because a lots customer come to my shop, and because even then I will speak English and practice as well. So guys, this is my native language. Do you know? I know that this is my native language, so even then I will practice. Actually, I don't have any manner for the speak English, but even then I practice and every day and improve myself. So guys, so very happy and these days, and because and have a great celebrated and this Diwali, and people, I think the people is super excited and buy something cloth in the streets, earthen lamps or anything else, whatever you have. So guys, actually we are very excited to hear right now. So my daughter's playing game at our room, and this time, so because I just came and practice as well. So do you know guys, actually if you want to learn English, so you should practice from today without any further, without hesitations, and no feel shy. You haven't you. So I suggest you guys, so because actually I'm trying a lot time I give myself, because very excited, and winter season started, and so little bit the field the very cold, and in the morning and evening times and night. So in afternoon is very the field the sunny day, the every persons in Delhi. So and this season and village life is super excited there. The people is everything is feel better, I think. So maybe it will be good for future, because you are very interested for English learner, and this is the practice and these days and improving my grammar. So vocabulary is improving. So because so you can learn English very easily and you can try. So very excited guys. This is a very long video. So we will meet you in the next video. So guys, you haven't subscribed my channel, please keep it my subscribe my channel, so that you will get notification soon. So guys, very happy Diwali to all your family. I hope you will support me always guys. So because actually I'm beginner, actually I'm not tenant, actually I have no main position, no intermediate level. This is the beginner. I am beginner, but actually I'm practicing these days, so improving my grammar, vocabulary, so everything will be completed, and within 1 month and 2 months will be. But you are very interested guys, so this is my English blog. So in this blog, and only English spoken English, you can join us. So guys, bye bye, take care, and I hope you are great today. Bye guys, love you so much. Bye.